I don't think there's a magic formula. These are obviously two great teams, and hopefully, we'll kind of deliver, I think, what the baseball world's probably anticipating.
Hits one into the gap in left center field, and that's going to put the Yankees on top here in Game 1. The 22-year-old stud, Gleyber Torres, has delivered again. Struck him out swinging. How about this start by Masahiro Tanaka?
That is gone into the Astros bullpen, and the Yankees take a 3-0 lead.
Obviously, up and down the order, guys contributing offensively.
It's Gleyber Day. I mean, it's been like that. I know he's always came out clutch for the team.
I'm doing Gleyber things as usual. Heck of a game.
He came up to me before the game and said, "Hey, I'm getting the belt tonight." So I said, "All right, we'll see about that. I know you're gonna have a good game, but we'll see." And he proved it tonight.
Here's a high fly ball into left field, carrying it the wall. It is gone off the bat of Torres. The star gets bigger.
Blue to shallow right center, and it's going to dunk in for a base hit.
2 runs are going to score. Torres ends up at second base. What a night.
Gleyber from Mayor, are you kidding?
I think he does a good job, clearly, of not necessarily making more of the moment.
Masahiro set the tone.
The poise of Masahiro to come in here in a hostile environment and shut down one of the most potent offenses in the league.
Second time, this postseason, he's been locked in from the get-go, and that's huge for us. Obviously, saved some guys in the pen a little bit, but man, he was outstanding.
He's very good at his craft and understanding what makes him work and what makes him effective, and the ability to repeat his delivery and really command a few pitches today was big.
That ball is gone. How do you like that? Gio Urshela goes the opposite way on the first pitch from Abreu and lines it into the right field seats.
Game 1's the most important, and especially to come in here and beat them at their own house. That's huge, especially we got one more game here and then 3 at home. So we went out there just to do our job, and now it's time to get ready for tomorrow.